Welcome to QZenith video tutorials.
Hi guys, hope you're doing great, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download VMware Workstation. So before even getting into the download of VMware Workstation Pro, I'm going to open up the Mozilla Firefox and then I'm going to log in to my Gmail account. So I'm going to show you from the scratch how you're going to download the VMware Workstation Pro. Not now, and then first, I'm going to log in with the Gmail account using my email qzenith.official@gmail.com. Type in the password. You are logged in to your email account. Now what you can do is you can go to the Broadcom website from where we're going to download the VMware Workstation Pro. So I'm going to type in broadcom.com. Now we need to register to this website. First of all, here we've got support portal and then just click on register. It opens up this user registration page. I'm going to type in the email and then I'm going to type this text from the image and then I'm going to just click on next. Now it's going to send you a code to your email. So I'm going to just click on over here and that's my code. It's 230362. So 230362. And then just click on verify and continue. Now complete your registration. Okay, so I'm going to fill it up and then just click on create account. So while typing the password, these criteria should match. So should not have 3 or more consecutive characters. So the registration online form is filled up. I'm going to just click on I accept the terms of use and then I'm going to just click on create account. Alright, so it says registered successfully. Now what I'm going to do is here it shows you unlock additional services by building your profile. So I'm going to say I'll do it later. Alright, so now it takes you to this page, Broadcom support portal. I'm going to just click on close. I'm going to just click on login. And then we're going to use the credentials. The username, again, the email, it's QZenith. And then I'm going to just click on next. I'm going to type the password and then I'm going to just click on sign in. So here we are successfully logged in to this specific Broadcom website. And then welcome to personalized dashboard. This is the new account, newly registered account. Okay, I'm going to just click on close. And now what we need to do is we need to find the product that we are going to download, and that is VMware Workstation Pro. So let me check over here all products. I'm going to just click on it and it's going to open up this page. I'm going to type VMware. So nothing seems to be here. No data found when I type VMware. Okay. Now what we need to do is I believe we need to create our profile. Let me click on products first. Okay, so it takes you to this page and they can see while VMware is now part of Broadcom, the VMware product can still be found on the VMware products page. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on over here. It takes you to this VMware page and then I'm going to scroll down a bit. Here we've got Fusion and Workstation under E-I, so I'm going to just click on it. So here we've got run Windows, Linux, and other virtual machines with VMware Workstation Pro. So I'm going to say just click on download now. So again, it takes you to the Broadcom page. And now you can see free software downloads available over here. I'm going to just click on here. So this opens up this free downloads page. And from here, I need to choose VMware Workstation Pro. So here on the left side, just click on VMware Workstation Pro. And now you can see that VMware Workstation Pro 17.0 for Windows. And then again, we have got VMware Workstation Pro 25H2 for Windows. This is the last stable version of Workstation Pro 17.0. So now the VMware Workstation Pro is free and it's available to download freely. So this is the newest release that they have provided. I'm going to just click on 25H2 release and it takes you to this website and you just need to click on I agree. Now you can see that you can't click over here. Why? First of all, you need to read the terms and conditions. So if I'm going to click on terms and conditions, I'm not going to read it. But if I'm going to go back and then just click on check, now it works fine. And now it's available to download. So that's again VMware Workstation Full. Okay, I'm going to just click on download over here. So prior to download this file, additional verification is required. Proceed. I'm going to just click on yes. Okay, so this is trade compliance and download conditions, and everything seems to be fine. If you wanted to add something over here, you can add. Here it's the address, and I have filled up the address, the city, the state, and the zip postal code. I'm going to just click on I agree and then just click on submit. So here it shows you the information that you have updated over here. I'm not going to save it. So now I believe everything seems to be fine. Okay, so it takes you to this page again. Now just click on download to see if it gets downloaded. It is getting downloaded. So the size of the file is 278 MB and the file is being downloaded successfully. I'm going to just click on here to browse and see if it's downloaded correctly. Yes, it's been downloaded successfully. And this is how you download VMware Workstation Pro, which is again the newest version. Hope it was informative for you. I will see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.